Hi, I'm Lee Coleman, and I am the bus supervisor here at Golden Strip Bus Center. I handle 35 bus routes, so we have regular ed and special needs out of this bus center. We're a satellite center from our main centers that we have. So they found a driver, so that's good. I absolutely love dealing with transportation. I like being behind the scenes of helping our kids get to school and being part of that education process. It can be early mornings, and we're the first person that our kids see in the morning, and starting their day off is what is key, I think, to their success during the day. If it weren't for my buses getting up at, some of them get up at 4:30 or here at 5:15, 5:30 ready to go to get our kids to school so that they could have a good education, and we're part of that process, and I enjoy being kind of cultivator of that because I have to put the routes together and efficiently get them to school on time, working together with my team. And that's an existing stop, so they should be able to just start whenever, right? I'm able to do that and set them up for the day. I absolutely love it. I've been doing this for almost 22 years. I got into it typically, as all the others, bus drivers and aides sometimes do, is because I wanted it to work with my kids' schedules. Are we gonna let Terry drive that one? Little did I know, even after they graduated high school and went on to have their own kids and stuff, that I would still be doing this. I found that it was a passion that I love doing, and it's just been an awesome journey.